In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new user in ERPNext. We'll walk through a simple process to add a new user to your ERPNext system so they can log in and start working with the permissions you assign. I'll guide you slowly through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're already logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the main homepage or dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled User or Users in that left sidebar. This is where all user management happens. Go ahead and click on that user section to open the user management area. Once you're in the user section, you'll notice a small arrow icon beside the word user. This arrow usually appears to the right of the label. Clicking that arrow expands more options related to users. It helps you quickly access different views or actions. Click on the arrow beside user to reveal the additional options. After expanding that, you should see a list or a page showing existing users, and somewhere near the top of the screen, you'll find an option to add user or new user. This is the button you'll use to create a brand new user record in the system. Go ahead and click on Add User. When you click Add User, ERPNext will open a new user form. Here, you'll typically be asked to enter details like the person's full name, their email address, and possibly a username. Take your time to fill this in carefully, since this information will be used for their login and for system notifications. Make sure the email address is correct, because ERPNext can send password setup links or notifications there. You may also see options to enable or disable the user, and to assign roles or permissions. Although the exact fields can vary depending on how your system is configured, it's a good practice to only enable the user once you are sure their details and roles are correct. Assign roles that match what they actually need to do, and avoid giving unnecessary administrator access. When you're done filling in the required fields, review everything one more time. Then save the new user. After saving, your new user will appear in the user list, and they can be invited to log in and start using ERPNext with their assigned access.